To locate your blend categories, select Blend Categories in the navigation panel. A blend category is essentially a folder containing your blends. You can file your blends within the blend categories however you wish. You can search your categories by using the filter or sort functionality. This blend category page will give you an overview of your categories and how many blends are within each category. You can favorite a category by selecting the star icon. You can edit a category by selecting the pen and paper icon. Then select Edit Blend Category. Here you can change the name of your category, enter tags to your category which may help you identify it. This may be helpful later to help you quickly find an ingredient, condition or indication that may be relevant to your category. You can also change the colour cover of your category by entering a hex code or by selecting a colour from the colour panel. When you're happy with your edits, save changes or alternatively cancel changes. To add a new category, simply select New Category. This will open in the Edit Category window, which will give you the same functionality as previously. Save your changes when you're happy with your new category.